Once upon a time, I wanted to be a bird so I wouldn't have to go to school.
Once upon a time, I wanted to be a kid, so I'm not uncertain and scared about my life.
Once upon a time, I dreamt that the planet would be safe.
Once upon a time, I wanted to be rich and famous, so I could be loved and never be alone.
Once upon a time, my parent wanted me to get good grades so I can have a good job and a good life.
Once upon a time, we lived in a world where we chased our dreams, where we wouldn't get told off and restricted by school, parents, or society. A world where we have freedom, respect, and we get to hang out with our friends.
In an interview, how have you found today's lesson?
You are shabby.
How have you found today's lesson? Will you please answer my question?
No, go.
How have you found today's lesson?
Go away.
How have you found today's lesson?
Very nice.
Okay. How have you found today's lesson? I have been an interview.
Yeah.
How have you found today's lesson to be?
What?
How have you found today's lesson to be?
Yeah.
How have you found today's lesson to be? I'm doing an interview about our experience today.
Can you repeat what you said?
How have you found today's lesson?
Doesn't make sense.
What do you mean? How have you found today's lesson? How does that